There. Good. Good. Okay, breathe in. Let it all out. Good. Relax the shoulder back. Good. Same thing other side. Perfect. Good. So it's going to be a stretch. And then we're going to... Boom. There you go.
I feel like I needed that.
There you go. That's your ankle. That's your ankle.
I hear those ones. Okay.
And then
Okay, what do I do? I'm confused.
just relax.
Whoa, okay.
Good. And then we'll do the other side.
Cool.
There you go.
We'll see what happens. You hear
Yeah,
it?
it's crunchy.
Yeah, it's crunchy. It hurts.
So pull a little bit against me. There you go. Keep it right there. There you go.
Oh, yeah, I felt it.
Good.
Cool.
Other one too is just that
This
one.
one's really actually fine.
Okay.
but